It is the fall season, the time to bring your pumpkins out. It is fall already, so let's start the tour. This fall season, I was inspired to decorate with very neutral tones and colors. I achieved this look on the coffee table by adding my beautiful eternity roses. They are from Venus et Fleur. They come in an acrylic box, as you can see here, and they also have a drawer, so it's very functional. Speaking of functional, it is this cake stand. It is a perfect piece to have around your home since it could be used in the kitchen, living room, and also in the bedroom as a perfume tray. In this case, it was the perfect fit for these beautiful roses. To add the touches of fall, this year I'm using the Z Gallery pumpkins. These I got on sale a couple of years ago and I got the whole collection, but I'm using the tall one for just this setting. I love the way everything looks so simple and subtle and comfortable to the eye. The gorgeous candle holders are from Home Goods. And of course, fall candles are my favorite, so I had to light one up. The glitter wall art on my wall, it is a DIY and that video will pop up at the end of this video. Make sure to watch and feel inspired to create your own. As the weather changes this fall season, it is the perfect time to use your fur throw blankets. In my case, I'm using 3 of them just because I like to have them handy and snuggle with them, making them just very comfortable and perfect for snuggling with them while watching TV. They also add a touch of elegance and warmth to your decor. This heart pillow is definitely a showstopper. I got it at Rose and they only had one. Ever since I got it, I've never seen any other one at Rose, so it was a perfect find for $9.99. This huge pom-pom pillow, it is from Walmart and it was $4.97. It was a steal, so I had to have it once I touch it. It's super soft. On this side, I kept it very simple, just a table lamp and the flowers. New to the side of the wall, it is this garland of roses that I found at Hobby Lobby. The same in this section. I wanted to make sure to keep it simple and clear, but at the same time inviting, and adding this beautiful leaf that I picked up at Burlington, along with these gorgeous decorative bowls that I found at Dollar Tree on the Christmas season last year. This is it for this video. If you enjoy it, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to get notified every time I upload a video. This is it for today, you guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you next time. Ciao.